My name is Dr. Ben Talei. I'm a facial plastic surgeon here in Beverly Hills, specializing in facial rejuvenation and aging face procedures, the most advanced and natural kind. When you go to a plastic surgeon, you're not really buying a procedure. You're going to the doctor and you're getting their years of experience and the responsibility for you. So you're really actually going in and getting all their training, all their expertise, and all the work that they've done, and you're asking them to take care of you and take responsibility for your safety and to give you a good result, a reproducible result. Sometimes this requires you to go to the more experienced doctors who do charge more because it's taken them much longer to get there and a lot more work to get there. If you go to a doctor who hasn't done as much, you may get lucky, you may not, we don't know. And there are doctors who charge a ton who aren't that good. So it's really important to do your homework and find out which practitioner is best to decrease the chance that you're gonna need to go fix something. The best practitioners still have things that go wrong, but they have it happen at a lower rate and they're able to fix them. That's usually why those practitioners charge a little bit more, and it's much better to go to them from the beginning than after you've had a problem where things are harder to fix. Once a problem happens, it's really hard to return it back to normal or fix it. You can usually just improve it from where it was. This is part of the reason why we're introducing the Cupid Lift and Cupid Lips clinics. We want to provide the same quality of service, the same quality of procedure and reproducibility all around the country at a lower price so people can afford it, yet still give them safety. And this is going to be wonderful because they can get the best lip lift that's ever existed by doctors that we work with and monitor, and it's not going to be something where you have to come all the way to Beverly Hills to do anymore. We're opening one here in West Hollywood soon, and we're going to open a few around the country in the next year or two to come. Thank you all for watching. I'm excited for everyone to see the advanced procedures that we're going to be talking about on this channel. If you want to see more, just like, hit subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you in future videos.